Every day, millions of onions begin a journey you've never seen before. These onions are harvested at peak maturity for maximum shelf life.
Harvesting starts with skilled hands and perfect timing.
Before transport, onions are dried to prevent spoilage. Quality control begins long before the factory. Thousands of kilograms are packed within minutes. Now, the journey shifts from farm to factory. Agriculture meets automation on this road. This facility handles onions at an industrial scale.
Speed and efficiency define the receiving process.
This is where raw harvest enters the system. Human eyes still play a critical role. Machines remove what the field leaves behind. Gentle cleaning preserves onion integrity. Air systems finish the dry cleaning stage.
Each onion is measured in milliseconds.
Thousands are sorted every minute. Only the best move on.
Processing gives way to packaging.
The onions are now ready for market.
Now the real factory work begins.
Every second counts at this scale.
Size matters in onion markets. Machines replace guesswork. Quality control never stops. Human eyes still matter.
Drying protects shelf life.
Freshness is carefully paused. Every gram is measured. At Weekeng Lychee, the finish line is near. Packaging at lightning speed. Bulk orders, same precision. And us res to get down this is leakless. Every bag tells a story. Every bag tells a story. Errors don't get through. Final human approval.
Ready for transport.
Robots build the load. Secured for the journey.
waiting for delivery. From factory to the world.
Every pack is weighed to ensure precise quantity. Final inspections protect product quality.
Robots pack onions faster than humans ever could.
Each carton is fully traceable.
Pallets are stacked for safe transport.
Stretch wrapping keeps loads secure.
Storage conditions protect freshness.
Every shipment is carefully planned.
Onions are loaded for delivery.
The journey to market begins.
Thousands of onions leave daily.
Fast transport keeps onions fresh.
Onions reach wholesale markets.
Retail orders are prepared.
Fresh onions reach consumers.
This is the final destination.
A modern system from field to shelf.
The process never truly stops.
That's how onions are processed.
Subscribe for more factory documentaries.